young men and my sisters who are my age and older, look at this. The movement is moving. I'm here to, first of all, thank you. Thank you, thank you. You know I've been writing, you know I've been saying we need more young women. I guess I'll stop writing that for a few weeks. I think you're happening. I think it's happening. We are in a battleground state for all kinds of reasons, but we are, I think, ground zero for the abortion rights battle. All over again. That's why moments like this, days like this, movements like this matter so much, because, my dear daughters of America, this battle is now yours. And it is yours to win. I'm here to introduce Cecile Richards. Did you know she and I were born in the same month in the same year? Wow. That matters only to me, but I had to share. One of the things I most love about Cecile, and Sharon and I both feel such great affection for Cecile. We had dinner last night. Where are you? She's here. We had dinner last night. We had a chance to talk, and I don't know if you know what her schedule looks like these days. We saw her last night in Columbus. I drove up from Columbus this morning. She's already had another event this morning in Cleveland. She's got this, and then we're going to see her in Akron tonight. And she's doing this every week, all week long, because she is not a figurehead for choice. She is a warrior for women's rights. And we are so lucky she is on our side. I am the mother of 3 grown daughters and a daughter-in-law, all of reproductive age. You know, you like to believe, and we do believe, that we have causes that we hold dear to our hearts because we want everyone to have the same rights, but this one's personal. This is so very personal. And I know it is for you as well. I would certainly hope so as I see all these young faces. And I think it's the personal drive is one of the reasons I admire Cecile so much. Because she does not have to be doing this at my age. And since I don't know if she wants to say her age, I won't tell you I'm 54. However, at this age, you don't have to be doing this unless you really believe in it. And I won't go much farther to Cecile because she's got so much to say, and I'd rather give her the lectern, except to remind you of this. She is here because of you. You got her here. Your activism got her here. And that says something very big about you, because she's got all kinds of places in the country to be. She was named just this year one of Time Magazine's 100 most important people in the world.